Hi guys. So this is one of the CCTV security system that a customer requested. So I'm just going to take you through what it contains and how we are going to do the whole setup. So hopefully you can see, because I'm using the other hand to take the video and the other one to unwrap the packaging. So what's important is that the customer said he wants an 8 channel, and then he said it doesn't really matter if it's a digital video recorder or a network video recorder, but obviously the budget determined what we go with. So the reason I went with the system is because I've got one, but it's a 4 channel, so I'm not sure if I can show it to you. So this is the one that I have, or this is the box of the one that I have, and it's a 4 channel. So I know it's a good product, hence I went with this one, also because of the budget. So I'm going to take you through the whole setup. So this will be part 1, which will be unpackaging. So let's see how it contains, or what it contains, and how it's packed. So let's open and see. So firstly, like most electronic components, it's made from China. So the packaging looks really good, looks like it's good quality. So for one, the boxes are labeled in terms of what's inside. So this one says there are power accessories inside. So let's open and see what's inside. So first, you've got your charger. It's also nicely packed and wrapped. So we'll put this on the side. Then there's another charger. So I think one would be to power the DVR, digital video recorder, and the other one most probably it's the power supply for the cameras. And then there's also nice. So it's 3 chargers. So that's good. So it means in terms of power, we shouldn't be lacking anything. So I'll put this on the side. And then there's another box that also says there are power accessories inside. So look at it. And then inside there's a charger. It's okay. It's not good quality, but it should work. And then there's a cable. So I think this is to power your cameras. So you see it's got one. I decided it's got one head, and then it splits into 4. So it's female on the side and it's male on the other side. And then you have 2 of these. So we'll put this on the side, and that's about it for the power accessories. And then the screws, I'm not sure, but we'll see. We'll find a use for this. So there's our power accessories. And nicely, and then this is our digital video recorder, and it's quite nice. I mean, this foam or plastic material is supposed to protect it, so it acts as a cushion. So we'll open it, and from there you can see that's where you collect our cameras. So that's where it says video in. So you can see there's from V1 to V8, which is 8 cameras. And then we've got our HD out, which is where you connect our HDMI cable. So from here you connect to your monitor to display whatever your cameras that are capturing. And then you've got your audio in, audio out, and then you've got your network port. You've got a USB 2.0 port, your DC 12 volts, that's where you power your DVR, and your VGA for display. So you can either use VGA or HDMI. And this we'll use to connect our network video recorder or our digital video recorder to our internet, so that we can access the system remotely. And from here you can see this is the model. It says an HD DVR 5-in-1 8 channel 2 megapixels camera. So there you can see. Then we'll put this on the side. Then in front you've got some buttons where you can press, you can scroll, but I don't think we'll be using those. We'll probably be using a mouse to do our setup. Then nice, it also comes with a user manual which tells you, instructs you how to set up the system and warranty period, so you can put in your details there. So you put this on the side, put this on the side. Then what's left in our box is our 8 cameras. So you can see they're all probably the same, so we'll just open one. There is one. So what comes with the cameras, so you've got some screws. So probably this is to mount our cameras on the wall. So some self-tapping screws and some fisher plugs. So we'll see if we find a use for this, or we'll use a different mounting. Then there's our camera, protected. Okay, it looks okay. We'll see how the picture quality is. Then you can see you've got your camera connection and your power supply. Then this is the spec, and like I said, like most of the electronic components, it's also made in China. So we'll put it on the side, and then this is the cable that we'll be using to connect our camera to our digital video recorder. So I'm not sure of the length, but normally it's standard, either it's 20 meters or 10 meters, but this one looks like probably 5 or 10 meters. And then the rest basically should be the same. So I think the next step maybe for us to open our digital video recorder and see if it comes with the hard drive or it doesn't come with the hard drive. So because if it doesn't come with the hard drive, we've got a problem, because it doesn't look like it comes with the hard drive. But I have to open to confirm. And then the reason we need a hard drive is that's where we're gonna store our footage. So we'll open it and see what we have inside. So I had to get my trustable friend screwdriver. So we'll now open and see what comes with the DVR. So let's see. So it looks like it's only these 2 screws. I'm not sure. We'll see if there's any other screws. Okay, let's see. Take these ones out. There. Okay. Looks like we've got 2 more screws on each side. Oh, let's try and see if we can open this thing. Okay, so we finally managed to open it, and it doesn't look like it comes with a hard drive. So let's see. I'm saying I'm trying to use my one hand. Looks like there's still 1 screw left, which is this one. Okay, let's see. So yeah, bad news. It doesn't come with the hard drive. So yeah, that's us opening the AHD security recording system. Downfall, doesn't come with the hard drive, so means you have to get a hard drive for the customer, and then that's gonna increase the price. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. Please click like and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos on DIY electrical, electronics and automation systems. Thanks.